Bold travelers of first incline, where they see the fairest sign. And if they find the chambers neat, and like the liquor and the meat, will call again and recommend the angel into every friend of a friend. And though the painting grows decay, the house will never lose its trade. Nay, though the treacherous tapster Thomas hangs a new angel 2 doors from us, as fine as Dauber's hands can make it, in hopes that strangers may mistake it, we think it both a shame and sin to quit the true old Angel Inn. Now this is Stella's case in fact, an angel's face a little cracked. Could poets or could painters fix how angels look at 36? Is true a sin at first to find in such a form an angel's mind, and every virtue now supplies the fainting rays of Stella's eyes. See at her levee crowding swains, whom Stella freely entertains, with breeding humor, wit and sense, and puts them to so small expense. Their minds so plentifully fills, and makes such reasonable bills. So little gets for what she gives, we really wonder how she lives. And had her stock been less, no doubt she must have long ago run out. Then who can think we'll quit the place when doll hangs out a newer face, nailed to her window full in sight, all Christian people to invite? Or stop and light at Chloe's head, with scraps and leavings to be fed? Then Chloe still go on to prate of 36 and 38. Pursue your trade of scandal picking, your hints that Stella is no chicken, your innuendos when you tell us that Stella loves to talk with fellows. But let me warn you to believe a truth for which your soul should grieve, that should you live to see the day when Stella's locks must all be gray, when age must print a furrowed trace on every feature of her face, though you and all your senseless tribe could art or time or nature bribe to make you look like beauty's queen, and hold forever at 15, no bloom of youth can ever blind the cracks and wrinkles of your mind. All men of sense will pass your door and crowd to Stella's at 80. Oh, men of sense.